Orbeez Stress Ball Collection. These 3 are from the Dollar Tree. Strawberry, banana, and grape. All of these are from Five Below. Pineapple, blueberry, watermelon, grape, pink and clear Orbeez, this really pretty color combination with mint and lavender, and lastly this globby. This is one of my favorite Orbeez stress balls. These 2 are from My Sensory Tools, but this one has mold in it, so I would not recommend. Orange and lemon. This emoji Orbeez ball is from Fidgetware, and this is one of my favorites. And this very stretchy Orbeez ball is from Kendy's Fidgets. I have all 3 different colors of the bubble Neatos: pink, purple, and blue. Orbeez mesh ball, and this is so satisfying. It popped.
I dare you to comment the entire ABCs without getting interrupted by another person. I don't mean the whole ABCs in one comment. I mean like individual comments, like A, B, C, D.
Fidget trading with my sister continued. I'm going to be trading Poppets and she's going to be trading Dimples.
I don't really like this, so what will you give me?
I'll give you this really good heart Poppet.
Ugh, what? This sucks.
Okay, fine. I'll give you this red mini Poppet instead.
Oh, that's a way better deal.
What will you give me for this crab Poppet, this duck Poppet, this turtle Poppet, and this bunny Poppet? By the way, you can find some really cool Poppets and Dimples from infantfidgets.com. If you want to get a really nice Poppet or a dimple, the link will be in my bio.
Wow, I'll give you this dimple digits.
Can you add?
Fine, I'll add 2 black and white simple dimples.
And I will accept.
I already have a dimple, so what will you give me for this?
I'll give you a blue Poppet and 2 mini Poppets.
Deal.
Guys, I just learned how to play the Poppet game, so I'm going to be playing it with my sister. Winner gets an airhead. Basically, we're going to take turns popping as many bubbles as we want in one row, and whoever's the last person to pop the bubble loses. Ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess I'll start. Dang it! Oh wait, what? Did I win?
No.
Dang it. She won the airhead. We're going to play one more time for another airhead, and this time she's starting. Oh my gosh, I won! We both got an airhead. That was so fun to play. I was reading all of my comments and I saw this one, which made me think. I have so many different fidgets, but I have no idea how much it all costs. So I'm going to show you all of my fidgets and you guys can comment how much you think it costs or how much you think it's worth. I've gotten a lot of new fidgets recently and I haven't had time to organize them, so don't mind the mess. Here's the first drawer. I have all of my dimples, pop tubes, and then monkey noodles and zippy bracelets. And then over here I have so many different fidgets. This is so unorganized, but these are all of my Poppets. There's definitely a lot. All of my stress balls. I have a lot of unopened emojis over here, and then these are my personal emojis. As you can see, I am very much obsessed with fidgets, but comment down below how much you think my entire collection is worth. I've always wondered if Neatos can stick to the ceiling like globbles, so I'm going to test it in this video. First, let's pick out a few Neatos. Let's try a gumball Neato, maybe this blue color changing Neato, and a purple groovy glob Neato. These are the 3 Neatos I picked, so let's go wash them. Okay. Neatos aren't usually too sticky, so let's hope that at least one of these can stick to the ceiling. Okay, let's dry them now. Honestly, these are way stickier than I thought they were going to be. Let's start with the Groovy Glob. Oh my gosh, what? So it stayed for about 1 second, then it fell. Color changing Neato next. It's stuck. Last one is the Bubblegum Neato. They both stuck. Update, these two fell. Hey guys, so I picked out a few fidgets that I'm just going to be throwing off my balcony. Basically, I'm just going to be throwing them off to see what happens. First, let's do the Pop It. Next, let's do the Pop Tube. I don't think that those two broke, so let's do the Simple Dimple next. Snappers. Three left. I'm going to do the mini Rubik's Cube next. These two are the last ones left, so let's do the Orbeez Stress Ball. And lastly, this stress ball with some powder in it. I'm not really sure what it is, but let's throw it. I don't think that any of them broke, but let's go check. It doesn't look like any of them broke, so that's good. They're just very dirty. Especially this one. But fidget trading with my sister. I know this isn't a fidget, but what will you give me for this burrito squishmallow?
Ew, that's so ugly, but I guess I'll give you one monkey noodle.
Rude. Okay, fine. What will you give me for 2 blue pop tubes?
I'll give you this dimple.
Oh, you're so over, yes. What will you give me for these 2 Pop-Its, this Orbeez stress ball, this fidget pad, this spike chain, and this puzzle ball?
Wait, OMG, where did you get those?
I got all of these awesome fidgets from Fidget Warehouse, and they're actually having a 50% sale on their entire website right now. Go click the link in my bio to Fidget Warehouse if you want to get yourself a really great quality fidget for a great price.
Those are so good. I'll give you my dimple duo.
Can you add something?
Fine, I'll add these 2 loony pets.
Yes.
Give me something for this Pop-It phone case and this tangle.
Would you do the trade for this DNA ball, this Shaggy Monkey Noodle, and this Orbeez mesh ball?
Deal!